Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the SafetySABCrazy YouTube channel. We're cruising on our way home through the San Fernando Valley, and what do we have? We have a car that has no running lights. I don't even know if their brake lights work. Oh no, I guess those are running lights. Wow. They gotta have tint on them because they're so cool, because they're like a race car, right? Oh no, that shit is not working. Your lights, your back lights are no good. Your back lights are not on. For your car, your back lights aren't on. You have no running lights. No running lights. Check here.